Katnat Trekam jongka El-Elyon Institute Farming Department menta kasni kelas sami Tiar sekilai pongut ki Longkmie barangba kibla pendap ya kejinsya hikai haka agro based food processing kenang bakin yo ban sedang ki kam jongki hadin bakila ada Pyntbit yalade hadin bekiti kilai pongut kila ada Pyntbit yalade kam Shain so nakal yang katnat horticulture Riboy district kan sapai khamat kiti kilai pongut ban penpoi ki jingerap baper seki kiti kilai pongut kidai kibla pendap ya ka training ka balai benai haka agro based food processing balak penlang hobnai naiwing arjar pulai hadu benai kelalengkot arjar pusau ya ka balak penlong daka El-Elyon Institute Farming Department lingba ka jingkersyan daka Megalia State Skill Development Society jongka sorkar jela hakan ni ka singil awan ban aimen sim the district horticulture officer jong Riboy haka jinon lang ka junior rural development officer umling block skill development officer Riboy district lambat kiwi
There's a lot of losses happening because we do not have enough storage facilities. The government is trying very hard to provide the storage facilities. It's happening, but then there's still a long way to go. Because of lack of storage, we have a lot of wastage in food products and produces. So the solution to the wastage of food produce is through processing of foods. For processing of any kind of product, we do not need a very first quality or high grade crop or produce. So these are somewhat the produces which are not sellable, which the buyers they are not willing to buy. Say for example your khasi mandarin or your pineapple, your strawberries. So these instead of wasting, you can always process them into jam, jelly and other products. So this is where food processing plays a very important role, and it's very encouraging to find such organization coming forward and giving support to you all. First you are trained and you have got your certificates, congratulations for that, and today you are getting a startup kit to start in a very small way your journey of entrepreneurship. This is not only for solving the problem of wastage. By this you can also improve your livelihood. In short, this is a livelihood opportunity for all of you. And I'm happy to say among all the ladies, there is one gents here, one male, the lonely star. And I'm sure in one day, he'll become the shining star. Okay. Now, as I told you, it is a small step to start with. That's why it is known as a startup kit. So, to carry forward your journey, to grow, you have to grow. You cannot remain yourself to a small unit. You have to grow. You have to try to compete in the local market. You have to try to compete across the state, beyond the country also. It's not difficult. And it's not impossible, but then you have to take keen interest in the work you have taken up.